guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to my Flagstaff home. I have another recipe for you here today. Not a food recipe, but a skincare kind of a thing. This one actually is hand sanitizer. And you know the thing, I'm kind of obsessed with hand sanitizer because it's not like I'm afraid of germs. I just don't like the germs that make me sick. And so I just would like to avoid being sick, and so I use hand sanitizer a lot. But one of the things I find is that with regular hand sanitizer, it dries out my hands because it uses aloe vera gel as a base. Yeah, I mean it actually moisturizes your hands as you use it. Okay, so what is killing the germs? Well, what you want to do is pick out 3 kinds of essential oils that are intended to be antibacterial, antimicrobial. Look for some of those things. I will give you 3 examples today. Now let me just say something about essential oils. If you just buy some inexpensive essential oils from a grocery store, chances are they're not pure essential oils, and they will smell really nice, but they won't do what they're intended to do. So if you're not going to invest in some decent quality, high quality essential oils, then don't use this as a hand sanitizer, because you're going to think that you're killing germs and you're not. And so you know, just make sure that if you do decide to make a hand sanitizer, get the high quality stuff. So for this one, I have used 3 hand sanitizers, 3 essential oils. One of them is from Young Living, and 2 of them are from a company called Still Point Aromatics. I will link both of those in the space below for you. But let me go ahead and show you how to make it. It's so easy.
You need a little container. This is a spray bottle that you can use. You can also use something like this that would squeeze out the hand sanitizer. So you need something like this that's 2 ounces. If of course you find a smaller bottle that's a 1 ounce thing, then you're gonna wanna cut the number of drops of essential oil in half. The important thing is that you choose essential oils that are that have antibacterial, antimicrobial properties to them, and I've chosen in this recipe to use orange, corn mint, and lemon iron bark. Now my orange is from Young Living, and then these other 2 are from Still Point Aromatics. I'll link that in the space below for you. And Young Living just doesn't carry these kinds, and I wanted to use them. They make a really nice fragrance. So for this, you want, for a 2 ounce bottle, you don't want to use any more than like maybe somewhere between 35 and 38 drops to 2 ounces of aloe vera gel that we're going to put in here. Here's the aloe vera gel. Mine is by Majestic Pure, and it is 100% pure and natural, soothing for dry, itchy skin. That's the nice thing about this hand sanitizer recipe, is that it is not alcohol based, so it doesn't dry out your skin. So what you want to do for this recipe, sorry for the lights shining down there, but what you want to do is start with your empty bottle, and then I use 10 drops of orange, 15 drops of lemon iron bark, and I put in 13 drops of corn mint. So why 13 as opposed to 10 or 15? Really, I was trying to stay at 38 drops or below, and as I was just kind of mixing it, I found that I got the scent I wanted when I got to 13 drops of this. So those drops are put in here, and then you just top it off with your aloe vera gel, and then you've got this really nice moisturizing hand sanitizer.
Okay, was that just the easiest recipe ever? Yeah, and it really does work. I actually, you know, that white plastic container, that's the one that I keep in my purse, but you know, the spray pump works great too. Whatever you want to use for a container, just something that won't leak, especially if you're going to carry it around with you in your purse. But I use mine all the time, and I just love that every time I put it on, I feel like I'm putting on lotion because it's moisturizing my hands at the same time. So if you give this recipe a try, let me know what you think. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'd love to have you follow me on my Flagstaff home. So if you're not a current subscriber, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon in the corner, and YouTube will let you know when I upload new videos. So I hope I will see you again. Take care, you guys. Bye.